How to start virtual wholesaling on a low budget. What's up, guys? Zach Ginn here, and in today's video, I talk with Greg in this interview, and we break down exactly how to start virtual wholesaling real estate with a low budget. Before we get into the video, guys, remember you need to smash that like button and subscribe, and let's get in the video.
People, they don't have a lot of money, but they want to get into virtual wholesaling. So what would your recommendations for people, like marketing-wise, getting into virtual wholesaling with not a lot of money?
Oh, man.
3-year-old kid just like you.
That's a great question, because if I started over again, I'll tell you exactly what I would do. So I'd pick one market. I don't like, you can go virtual or you can do it in your own backyard. It's totally up to you, like whatever you want to do at the end of the day. And I think if you're like brand new getting started, like if you could do a deal in your own backyard, it might be better because you can like see the property, but you can do it virtual. It's all good. What I would do is I would go sign up for PropStream. I'd get PropStream. It's like $100 a month, and you get 10,000 downloads. You get 10,000 records that you can export. But you can look at as many files as you want. So you basically have access to any property in the country. And I would go into PropStream and I would start like building out like niche lists, like vacant properties that are tax delinquent, that have been owned since 1995, which is a good list. The longer they've owned it, the better chance of a deal happening because it's usually old and it's like run down usually. So I would build out these like niche lists. And then I would go into Skip Genie and I would one-off search these things, because I think Skip Genie is like it's $50 a month. And then it's like, you get a certain amount of searches, and then it's like 13 cents a search. It's really cheap. I would just go in there. I wouldn't have a CRM. I wouldn't get into CallRail. I wouldn't, not yet. And I would get 100 of those properties. I'd make the calls. I'd see what happens. And then I would just keep doing that in batches of 100 until I got a deal. Because if you find like 500 vacant properties with like tax liens or whatever, like there's a pretty good chance you're going to do a deal. Like I'm not saying it's guaranteed, but you're going to be able to generate like quality leads at a really low price. It's going to be a lot of time and effort, and you're going to have to be on the phone for a while, but there's definitely an opportunity for you to make money doing something like that now, especially PropStream's nationwide. So you can do it anywhere. And I would do that, honestly. I think that would if you do that, if you spend like 3 to 5 hours a day of doing that consistently for 90 days, there's a really good chance you're going to make money. I mean, like, it's not guaranteed. I don't want to be one of those guarantee guys, but I mean, the math is in your favor if you do something like that, you know?
Thank you so much for watching that video today. If you want more free value for wholesaling real estate, remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Guys, if you want to join the best wholesaling real estate mentorship in the planet and join the wholesaling course that has the most people in it in the history of the world for wholesaling real estate, go to freewholesaling.com. It's free. There's no gimmicks. There's no upsells in this course. It is an absolute free wholesaling course. I've been told to charge thousands and thousands of dollars for it. I give it out for free. So like this video and subscribe. Join the movement for wholesaling real estate and go to freewholesaling.com and join my Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook group. That is the largest mastermind in the country of like-minded wholesaling entrepreneurs who want to get connected absolutely for free and learn wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll hope to see you there. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.